Let me ask you something. If you put $100 under your mattress today and come back 10 years later, is it still $100? Technically, yes. But can that same $100 buy you the same things it could 10 years ago? Absolutely not. And that's the danger of just saving your money without investing. Story. When I was younger, my grandma used to tell me, save every penny and one day you'll be rich. And for a while, I believed her. But then reality hit. The money I saved could no longer buy the same groceries it used to. Inflation had eaten away at my savings, slowly, silently, and invisibly. Today, I'll break down why saving alone will make you lose money, how inflation works against you, and why investing is your best weapon to fight it. And don't worry, we'll keep it simple, fun, and practical. Part 1, Saving, the safety net. Define saving. Saving is money you set aside for emergencies, short-term goals, or safety. Think of it as your financial shield. It protects you from surprises, like a flat tire, a hospital bill, or sudden job loss. Storytelling. Imagine Sarah. She saves $1,000 in a bank account. She feels safe knowing she has cash for rainy days. Then one day, her car breaks down. Instead of borrowing money at 20% interest, she uses her savings. That's the power of saving. It saves you from debt. Explain where saving works best. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Short-term goals, vacation, gadgets, rent deposits. Liquidity, easy access, no risk of market swings. But here's the catch. While Sarah's savings gave her peace of mind, if she kept all her money in savings for the long term, inflation would slowly shrink its value. Part 2, the enemy called inflation. Explain inflation. Inflation is like a sneaky thief that enters your house every year and steals a tiny bit of your money's power without touching your actual cash. Real-life example. In 2010, $10 could buy you a nice fast food meal for two. Today, it barely covers one meal with a drink. Same $10, less buying power. Numbers illustration. If inflation is 15% but your savings account only pays you 5% interest, you're actually losing 10% in purchasing power every single year. Story. Think of it this way. Mark saved diligently for 10 years, thinking he was growing rich. But when he finally wanted to buy his dream car, he realized the price had doubled, while his money had grown only a little. Saving alone had betrayed him. Part 3. Investing, making your money work. Define investing simply. Investing is putting your money into assets, like stocks, real estate, or businesses, so that it grows faster than inflation and builds real wealth. Contrast with saving. Saving keeps your money safe. Investing grows your money. You need both, but for different reasons. Storytelling. Take John and Lisa. Both saved $10,000. John left it in savings for 20 years at 5% interest. Lisa invested hers in the stock market, averaging 10% returns. After 20 years, John had about $26,000. Lisa, over $67,000. Same money, but Lisa let hers work while John's own took a nap. Types of investments. Stocks and ETFs, ownership in companies. Bonds, lending to governments/companies. Real estate, land and property value. Businesses, building income streams. Simple metaphor. Saving is like keeping seeds in a jar for safety. Investing is planting those seeds in soil, so they multiply. Sure, sometimes the weather markets can be rough, but over time, you get a forest, not just a jar of seeds. Part 4. How to balance saving and investing. Here's a simple plan you can follow today. 1. Build a safety net. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate emergency fund. 2. Short-term goals. Save for things you'll need in 1 to 3 years. 3. Growth investing. Any money beyond that goes into investments for the long term, 5, 10, 20 years down the line. Storytelling. Tom and Anna both earn $1,000 monthly. Tom saves everything in the bank. Anna saves $300 for emergencies, but invests $200 monthly. 10 years later, Tom has a savings, but inflation has eaten into it. Anna? She has both savings and a growing investment account that beats inflation. Actionable takeaway. Have 2 accounts. One for safety savings, one for growth investing. Don't mix the two. One protects you, the other grows you. Part 5. Common fears and myths. Fear of losing money in investing. Yes, investing carries risk, but the bigger risk is not investing at all, because inflation guarantees you'll lose. Myth: I need a lot of money to invest. Wrong. Many apps allow you to start with as little as $10. The key is consistency, not starting big. Myth: saving is safer. True for emergencies, false for long-term goals. Saving protects your today. Investing protects your tomorrow. Conclusion and call to action. So here's the truth. Saving alone will make you lose money. You need to save for safety, but you must invest for growth. Think of saving as your shield and investing as your sword. Both are necessary to win the financial battle. Story. Remember my grandma's advice to save every penny? If she were alive today, I'd say, yes, Grandma, save some, but make the rest work for you. Because money that works grows and money that sleeps shrinks. Final action. Start today. Open one account for safety savings, another for growth investing. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Inflation isn't waiting. Why should you? If you gain value from this video, don't forget to click the thumbs button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.